Alright everyone, here's upper trains by CREX this week. All in all, it has been an interesting one, but I didn't really see that much. So the first train in this video is an unusual CN Q105, going from Montreal to Vancouver. It was led by 3128 with a really nice sounding K5HL horn, but unfortunately that unit used to have a K5HLA horn, and recently they actually replaced it with a K5HL. According to the Bell Subway fan, 3128's K5HLA horn went on 3016. So I'll be sure to see 3016 when it comes on the Bell Sub when it's leading. Anyways, trailing second is 3123. Trailing third is newer CREX 2759. And for the mid DPU is CREX 3930. And after the DPU are a bunch of empty Potash cars. I have no idea why 105 has Potash cars, but I have a feeling that the Potash cars came from B731, which started in St. John's, New Brunswick. Then B731 would drop some of them at Montreal, and 105 would take them the rest of the way to Saskatchewan since it was going that way anyways. So 105 has 89 rail cars, and 104 empty Potash cars, making a total of 193 cars. And since the last time I was at Princess Street, they finally installed the new rails that were dropped earlier this year. And let me tell you, I'm really happy that the new rails were finally installed. So the next train is CN A450, going from North Bay to Toronto. It was led by 5724 with a really weird sounding K3A turn, and it's a SC75I. And trailing second is 5615, which is a SC70I. And that has 65 freight cars. The next and final train in this video is 302, which is running 8 hours behind schedule for some reason. Going from Vancouver to Toronto, it was led by 6431 with a really awesome horn. Trailing second is 6452, and trailing third is 6412, and that has 13 passenger cars. And that concludes this short reaction video of all the trains that I caught throughout this week. If you enjoyed it, then you know what to do. Please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up because it will help me a lot. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos. And until my next reaction video, which will be tomorrow, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this reaction video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya guys!